Hi everyone. We're going to solve each logarithmic equation. These are the easy ones, and the main thing we're going to do is we're going to convert our log of the base of some value is p. We're going to convert it to an exponential equation to help us solve it. Okay, so we take the easy one here, log base 3 of x equals 5. We have to solve for x here, and we're not used to looking at it this way. So I'm going to rewrite it. My base is 3, my power is 5, and this equals x. So 3 to the 5th is 243, so 243 equals x. And that's basically how we're going to do it. And they're going to get a little harder. We have log base 2 of x equals 3. Rewrite this as 2 cubed equals x. So x equals 8. Alright. Now we have, let's get in some harder ones. We have log base 1/4 of x equals 3. So basically, we're going to write my base is 1/4. My power is 3 equals x. So 1 cubed is 1, and 4 cubed is 64. So that is your x. And here's some more. We have log of some base of 3 is 1/2. So I'm going to rewrite this as my base to my power equals my value. You can either do this one in your head. What I like to do is just get rid of the exponent here for my b, since I'm solving for b. And this equals 1. So we have b to the first power equals 9. Alright? Now we also have some that have quantities such as log base 6 of 4x plus 12 equals 2. So I'm going to rewrite this as 6 squared equals 4x plus 12. And then you just solve. We have 36 equals 4x plus 12. Subtract the 12, so you get 24 equals 4x. Divide by 4, so you get x equals 6. And here's one on both sides, which these are pretty easy. Log base 3 of x plus 2 equals log base 3 of 3x. Since we want the left side to look like the right side, these two already look the same. They're the same basis. So all I had to do is solve for the quantities here and subtract x from both sides, and you get 2x, so x is 1. And you plug that in, both sides will match. And let's look and see if I can find some more. Let's do one more, a couple more. We have log base 10 of some number is my power of -3. I rewrite that. 10 to -3 equals n. This is like 1 over 10 cubed. 1 over, this cube just means 3 zeros, so it's 1 over 1,000 equals my n. Okay, we also have one like this one. Log base 4 of x equals 3 over 2. So basically, if we rewrite this, we have 4 to the 3/2 equals x. Now, what I'm going to do is rewrite this as square root for the 2. 2's your root of 4 cubed. Now what I'm going to do is square root first. I always square root first so I can get the number small. Doesn't matter. I'll do both. So you square root of 4 and you get 2. So you get 2 cubed equals 8. So that's your x. Or you could cube the 4 and you get 64. And the square root of 64 is 8. Okay, I always like the square root at first. Okay, we also have log of base 1/5 of x equals negative 3. So your base is 1/5, your power is negative 3, and that is your x. So what I'm going to do is take away the negative here, so I get 5 cubed. Just flip this. So x is 125. And let's see if there's any other tricky ones here. Let's do one more. Log base n of 1 over 8 equals negative 3. So we have n to the negative 3 equals 1/8. Alright, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and multiply or power this by negative 1/3. And this takes care of this. This equals 1, so that goes away. So you have n equals 1/8 to the negative 1/3. To get rid of the negative, just flip this. So you get 8 to the 1/3. And 8 to the 1/3 is the same as a cube root of 8. So my n equals 2. Okay? And let's do one with the square in it, and that will be it. Log base 3 of x squared minus 2 equals log base 3 of x. Since my bases are the same, I'm just going to solve here. And you get x squared minus 2 equals x. When you have this quadratic thing going, I'm going to move the x over and factor. So it'll be minus 2 and plus 1. So what you're going to get here is x equals 2 and x equals negative 1. And this is going to lead into our next video. The domain for the log here, this quantity right here, has to be greater than 0. So negative 2 has to be discarded because you can't plug in negative 2 in here. That's invalid. So we have to disregard, this should have been negative 1, sorry. So this should have been x equals negative 1. But negative 1 doesn't work because negative 1 is not greater than 0. So you disregard that, and we only have one solution, which is x equals 2. And we will go more into that into the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.